Okay, this one says match each function with a description of its graph. So all three have y-intercepts. These are the correct answers. I'm just going to prove why they're the correct answers. And basically, we're going to evaluate each one at 0. So if I say, well, let me write it down here. H of 0, that's equal to 4 raised to the 0. So that equals 1. That's correct. And then it says the graph initially increases slowly, then increases rapidly. That's true because it'll go like h of 1 is equal to 4 raised to the 1, which equals 4. And then if you go h of 3, that's equal to 4 to the 3, which is equal to 64. So you can see how 0, 1, 2, 3 it increases quickly. D of x, that statement is true because d of 0 is equal to 5 times 1/3 raised to the 0, which is the same as 5 times 1, or 5. So that part's right. And then it says it decreases rapidly and then decreases slowly. That's true because this starts to approach 0. In other words, if I say d times d of 1 is equal to 5 1/3 raised to the 1, that's really just 5/3. So that starts off, that starts decreasing. Now if I go like d to the d of 3, I can't talk and write at the same time, it's hilarious, is equal to 5 1/3 raised to the 3. That's equal to 5 over 27. So it's decreasing. This number will start to approach 0. Okay. So it decreases rapidly, and then it decreases slowly. Lastly, g of 0 is equal to 2/5 raised to the 0, which is equal to just 1. So the y-intercept is accurate. Same thing here. Because this is a fraction, it'll approach 0 as x increases. So initially it'll decrease rapidly, and then it decreases slowly, just based on the values. Okay. I suppose we could graph it real quick. I'll graph all three in one and try to match up the colors so you can see. So let's go in here. I did blue first, which was 4. So let's clear that out. 4 raised to the x. And then the next color I did was red, so we'll graph that down here. That was 5 times 1 divided by 3 raised to the x. And then the next color was green, so we'll do that one up here, which was, what was that again? 2/5. So in parentheses, I'm going to say 2 divided by 5 raised to the x. And so let's graph all these, and you can see the different graphs all in one shot. So there's the blue one, increases, then slowly increases, and then increases quickly. It'll probably do the green one next. So that one decreases and then decreases slowly. And then the red one, it's going to be very similar to the green one, except it's going to have a y-intercept that's much higher up. So let's just take a picture of that. Hold on one second. Hi, good morning.